Hey, check it out. We are in Left Hand Canyon. It's pretty much one of my most direct routes to get up into the high country. You can go through Jamestown, up through Ward, which takes you right above that's Brainerd Lake. And I'm going to go up a different way today, but still chasing the fall colors. Another day, and I thought I'd get back out, give another look. Probably going to be my last day. I have a lot of shots. There's only so many shots I want to pull out anyway, because then it's all about marketing and hopefully getting some of this stuff on people's walls and in offices and wherever I can get it. Got to survive, and we're keeping on. So thanks for coming along. Hey, check it out. There's some great spots. I'm just hanging out in Left Hand Canyon, one of the many canyons that go up to Peak Highway. This caught my eye. I love streams with, if you can get any of that red underbrush is golden. And you know, in Colorado it's mostly the yellows, the golds, and the greens, and you do get the reds and the oranges. Southwest Colorado, man, down by Telluride is amazing. Was hoping to get down there, but I'll settle for this. Thought I'd share it with you and throw in some of the shots that I just pulled out of here.
You know, one thing when you're out shooting fall colors, the one thing is a must is you want to use a polarizer on your lens, and that'll just pull the colors in the sky and just really make it pop. And on these, I'm doing long exposures, about a 1 second, maybe a little bit longer. With the polarizer and a really low ISO at 50. So I'm shooting at 50, f/22, around 1 second. And I vary that up or down. I kind of bracket them on my histogram. But it is really beautiful. Hope you're enjoying this. Maybe getting a little relaxation out of it. You know, I always say if you can't be here, the next best thing is to watch it from your living room or your computer, your phone, or wherever.
We are now taking the back roads of Boulder County. This is one of my most favorite things to do, is just take some of the dirt roads. I'm happy that we still have dirt roads, because backcountry roads are always the best as far as I'm concerned. So this is Sawmill Road, and it is a steep deal. So I'm gonna take you up that. I'm gonna take a couple shots and show it to you.
Get out. This is Sawmill Road, one of the backcountry roads of Boulder County. How about that view? Another view. Here you go. Prime time. Indian Peaks. One of my favorite wilderness areas. Here's another view for you. This is just west of Nederland. I would say just northwest of Nederland. I believe County Road 103. National Forest. It's beautiful back here.
I am out making the rounds. So I came up Gamble. Thought I'd check on the cabin. See the sights along the way. I'm gonna go stop at the yacht club, say hello to a friend, and then I think I'm gonna go back down the way I came. Got some good shots today. Hey, you know, if you are watching and you're from out of state and you're wondering what's the best time to come to Colorado to catch the fall colors, I say a good rule of thumb is the last 2 weeks of September and the first 2 weeks of October. And to tighten that up, the last week of September and the first week of October. But this year was a little bit late up above Boulder in Boulder County. But it's good. It's all good. It's beautiful. Cruising around. Snow coming in on Thursday, so I don't know if I'm going to get back up to see what's left, but sure has been pretty all the way up and all the way down, and thanks for coming along. So above Boulder, Colorado, up in the Rocky Mountains, is all mines, old gold mines. And this is an area, we're above Rawlinsville right now. And this is probably my most favorite area. This is where I hang out, probably because I have friends that have property here. But anyway, we've been hanging out up here for a long time. But there's some really cool old gold mines and all kinds of stuff in Boulder County above, from peak to peak, from north to south. Whew. So I just had the biggest scare. I went to leave. I'm up here, it's about 10,000 feet, in the middle of nowhere. It's an old ghost town. Got in SUV and it wouldn't start. Tried it a couple times, it wouldn't start. Didn't want to run the battery down because that's even worse. So what I did was took out my air filter and checked that and bounced it a few times, cleaned it, put it back in, looked good. And then the other thing I did was, since I'm up in the high elevation, I popped my gas cap and where you put gas in. I unlocked it, opened it up, and then took the cap off, put the cap back on, closed it, started right back up. So I don't know if it was an elevation or a suction thing or whatever, but whew, that was scary because I'd have had to walk way down the road to find somebody to get a jump or whatever, and this is kind of why I'm not doing what I used to do without fear. Now I have a little bit of fear because I'm older, and anyway, but it's all good because I know where to get help up here. But anyway, so that's that little excitement. Holy crap, boy. I did stop the yacht club, but my friend had to have some dental work done, so he was on his way down the canyon, so I didn't want to turn off the vehicle just to play it safe after it not starting up in Gamble. So I decided to just beeline it down. I would have liked to shot pictures all the way down because you get that afternoon light's pretty good. But I want to play it safe and get my butt back down and make sure this vehicle is okay and not get stuck somewhere. So we are going down Left Hand, which is one of my favorite canyons, and right now we're going through Ward, so I'm going to give you a little sneak peek of Ward. I guess there's a little construction going on. I kind of beelined it because I wanted to get through that little stop thing. I got stuck there yesterday. But it looks like we're behind a truck hauling some logs, and he ain't going very fast. But hey, he's pulling over. So Left Hand's one of my favorite canyons. It's gorgeous in the fall. Actually, all the canyons are gorgeous in the fall. Oh, and there's even a water thing here. Check it out. So Left Hand is the big bicycling canyon. This is where a lot of people train, and so I don't take this on the weekends. But during the week, it's nice. And like I said, in the fall time, it's beautiful. A lot of aspens down by the stream. So I was shooting that on the way up, and I think I got some good shots today. Thanks for coming along. Greatly appreciate you spending a little time with Bo. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you got any suggestions, please leave them below. If you got any comments, I greatly appreciate it. And please take the time and subscribe to my channel, and thanks for coming along for the ride. See ya.